Southwest 4007. Looks like there's actually a hard flow time for you for San Diego. Wheels of 19er, void at 22. Get numbers for Bravo 1 intersection. I'll get you there momentarily.
Roger that. We got numbers for Alpha 2 if that helps as well. Southwest 4007.
82.
Shed 1057 Las Vegas Tower, 26 right, line up wave, be ready to go.
Line up wave. West 2050.
Tower 419, Quebec Sierra on the visual, 26 left.
419 Quebec Sierra Las Vegas Tower, winds 16016, gust 28, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear land, 49 Quebec Sierra.
Jet 1057, traffic ahead will turn away, winds 16016, gust 28, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear takeoff, West 1057.
2238 ground, hold short of Charlie, or just a moment.
Charlie, double 2238.
South 2799, Whiskey Golf Charlie.
Whiskey Golf Charlie, Southwest 2799.
Southwest 4007, turn left here, join Charlie, hold short of Charlie 1.
Charlie, hold short Charlie 1, Southwest 4007.
Seven 26 right, make a left on Charlie, hold short of Charlie 6.
Charlie shorter, Charlie 6, Southwest 3766.
Southwest 1261, spot 15, Juliet.
1261, hold there for me for just a minute.
Hold spot 15, Southwest 1261.